Hey guys, today we're making the perfect holiday dessert with warming spices. It's vegan and gluten-free and absolutely delicious. For the chai infusion, I'm using our own ahimsa spice blend, Ayurvedic chai. So if you want to know more about the spices or order them, check out this video right here. So the crust is really easy to make. We are adding the walnuts to our food processor, and little by little we are adding our dates, a pinch of salt, until this sticky dough forms, and in the end it should look like this. So you want it to be a little sticky and pliable, and it's so simple. Within 2 minutes you have the perfect dough. There's no need to bake it, so we have our silicone mold and we form little balls and press it in there. And the full recipe, as always, you find down below. It's also a really great dessert to prep in advance because you can keep it easily in the freezer and you don't need to stress around last minute before your loved ones arrive. Now let's go and make our chai tea infusion. I'm heating up some coconut milk and we are adding our beautiful, warming, healing chai tea spices to it. We let that boil at a low temperature for about 10 minutes. I'm also adding a little bit of agave here. Now let's make our cream. We're just gonna blend up everything in the NutriBullet. I already soaked some cashew nuts in advance. And we're adding the chai infused coconut milk to the cashew nuts. Blend that up. I'm also adding a little bit more cinnamon here. Keep blending until you have this creamy, dreamy consistency. Now I'm taking the silicone molds out of the fridge and we are filling it. Super easy. So bring it onto a cutting board. It's just much easier to carry it around and nothing will get spilled. Now we keep them in the freezer until we are ready to plate, so you can keep them in there for a couple weeks also, or at least for 4 hours. Now I'm popping it out from the silicone mold, so it is really easy. And now I'm gonna show you how to decorate the chai infused cheesecake really nicely. I think I have to eat it right now. Well, I still have 5 left. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you have made vegan, gluten-free and healthy recipes before and what you think of this chai infusion. And I see you next week with another really exciting recipe. I can't wait to see you, and thanks for watching.